Welcome to StarTech Lighting. We proudly make architectural lights right here in the United States, reflecting our core principles of aesthetics and design. Hi everybody and welcome. Today I introduce you to our revolutionary micro series, the Micro Optimo and the Micro Beam. Our super slim and super sleek minimal form factor architectural linears feature low voltage power over proprietary cable, eliminating duplicate traditional redundant wiring cable. This uncompromising micro series breaks the mold on slender architectural lighting. It fits ideally into Class A office spaces, retail hallways, lobbies, and any contemporary architectural space you can think of. Next up is our micro beam. It is available in direct and direct indirect. It comes with a continuous slide-in lens and beam shaping options. And just like the Micro Optimo, the Micro Beam features low voltage power over proprietary cable, eliminating duplicate traditional redundant wiring cable. To learn more about StarTech Lighting America, please visit startechlightingamerica.com.